Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I am so excited about this unboxing. It's for your creative studio and it is the June box that I'm going to show you. So far, just from looking at the thank you card, I'm really excited because I think it's a floral theme. Now I'm just pulling out some of the items here before I start to open them, and these usually are the stamps. This one was already open for me, so that's great. And it looks like it's a nice floral, so roses, like a little rose bush there. And there's another set here. I love the items that they've been sending lately. Okay, this is the washi tape, and it's just got a nice image of a rose. Different sort of roses or flowers here. That didn't, that was a little bit unfocused. I apologize for that. And then this one here is, I think the other side, the other parts of the stamps. Now the boxes, if you're not familiar, they usually come with some stamps, some stickers, some papers, washi tape, and then just some additional goodies that you can use in your creations. Oh, I really love the floral there with the little script on it. Really like that. Okay, so I'll open this in a little bit because it's completely sealed, the little package. And here, this one looks like it comes in a little vellum envelope, which I already love. I love to repurpose the packaging as well, which is really nice itself, like the little envelope there. And these, I think, are stickers and different floral designs, as you can see. So I'm already loving the theme, and usually the boxes all coordinate together, which is really nice. You can make so many lovely things. I will link some unboxings, some previous unboxings that I have for your creative studio, and some previous projects that I've made with some of the pieces that I get in the little boxes. So check them out. I am really loving what's come in this one. I will have links to their shop below, and you can get all the details on how to get yourself a subscription box. My favorite ones are this season that's coming up, the fall season, the Christmas season, and I think those are some of my favorite ones because there's always a nice variety in them as well. Now this one has some really nice stickers with a little bit of foiling, like gold foiling on them. That's always nice to get. Now this sticker set and whatever comes in the box that says your creative studio on it is exclusive to your creative studio, so you would not be able to get those pieces anywhere else, which is another thing that I really like about the boxes as well. Now this is tissue paper. They've been sending that lately in the boxes, and it's always really nice to have. Some stickers as well. I really love anything that's botanical, so this is perfect as well. And then the next ones, I'm just cleaning my desk a little bit for you to see what else is here. This one, I believe it's just an ephemera pack. And, oh right, so these sets, I really like these sets as well. So the previous ones that they have sent, it's these little paper sets that come with a little bit of like a vellum, a couple of thinner pieces of paper, and then the same pattern repeats itself with some sticker paper as well. So there's like 4 pieces to each. These ones I'm already liking. I think I know what I want to make with these ones already. So you've got your you know, your sheets that are two, I guess a little bit of thin paper. One is a sticker sheet and the other one is the vellum, and the patterns are all the same with the same 4 pieces, but different patterns. That's what I meant to say. So it's different patterns, but 4 pieces to each pattern, which is really nice. And yeah, I really like it when they include that as well in these boxes. And you'll notice that it's all like a very nice vintage style, so it goes perfectly with your junk journals and your junk journal style creations. Anything that's vintage looking, anything that's a little bit grungy goes really well with this. And then of course this one includes the smaller sets, which is really cute and a great idea. So you've got a set of the larger papers and then the smaller prints as well, which is really nice. So very good variety in this you know, in this little package. These ones, I thought they were stickers, but they're just I believe they're just like a nice ephemera on a thick kind of cardstock. So you'll see the beautiful patterns again, the different types of designs that are in here. You've got some of these little flag looking things. You've got some tags, some smaller flags, and then there's a variety of florals. Like, look at the wreaths. Those are really lovely. And again, all the colors and everything in the box coordinates together, which I really, really like. So I wanted to ask you all a question. I have social media on, various platforms like Pinterest and Instagram, Facebook, of course. I have my blog, and then I also have my page set up on Coffee. But I've noticed a lot of people showing items on TikTok. I have not yet done anything on TikTok. Leave a comment below letting me know if you are on TikTok, or if you follow, junk journal items and or short videos on TikTok. I don't know if that's where I'm going to go next, or if I should even, try it, because I just think that I'm already on so much social media. But again, who knows? Maybe you like that, that platform more than others. So leave a comment below either way. Let me know if you would like to see things on TikTok from me, or if you even are on TikTok or follow, fellow crafters on TikTok. Either that, or what platforms you do not follow. That would also be helpful. I know Instagram has made a big change already, and videos are only going through the reels. So I know there's a lot of you that are not, happy with Instagram for that reason, because posting a photo now is not something that they will either encourage or, put on the algorithm, so you won't be able to see as much. But there's also a couple of things that they've done that, are helpful if you didn't know. And if you want a little bit more, chat about social media and the different ways that you can actually use it, leave a comment below and let me know. I know there's been some updates on some of them, so that's another question that I had for you. All right, back to these ones. This set here, as you can see, it's just a lot of different type of ephemera. And again, vintage, there's some stickers, and there's some sort of see-through items, and just a variety of papers. And then the last one before this that I showed you was like vintage looking letters, which is really nice on different color paper. And I like that the front of those as well were like a nice color and not just white on the back. Now in this little box, it's a little sticker box, and it looks like postage stamps with all the florals. And it's actually a sticker book, because I can feel the difference of the paper. So this definitely are different stickers. And if you happen to have the scissors that already have the, that way to cut it, then you might be able to actually get the same design on it. Like the little edge of the faux stamp is what I mean. And if not, it is like a kind of like a see-through sticker, so it'll be nice still to see it on your different papers. All right, my friends, this is the unboxing for Your Creative Studio, the June subscription box. I will leave links to their shop below, and questions, comments, let me know, and I'll come back very soon to show you a project that I have made using some of the goodies. Thanks so much for stopping by.